Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing this look for you all. This is my signature twist out, and I'm going to be trying out some new products today. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure that you continue to watch, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not already. Alright guys, so the products that I'm going to be using are the Originals Africa's Best Honey and Castor collection, and you can see my hair right now, it's really dirty and it needs to be washed, and it is pretty dry. I need some love, so I'm going to go in with their co-wash, and I'm going to use this to cleanse my hair. And I really like this co-wash because it didn't strip my hair, it left it nice and soft and moisturized, but then it got the dandruff and everything out of my hair. So I really like this, and it smelled really good, so I really liked using this co-wash. Alright, so this is my hair after I rinsed that out, and you can see that my hair is nice and moisturized and shiny. It doesn't look dry or hard or brittle, so that's really good. That's what I look for in a co-wash. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and begin styling, and I'm going to go in with our thermal moisturizer, and this can be used as a heat protectant if you're going to stretch your hair out, or you can use it as a daily moisturizer. So I'm just going to put this on, and it's going to kind of act as a leave-in, and then I'm going to go in with their curls cream and use this, and I'm going to apply that to my hair as well. And the style that I'm going to do today is going to be a twist out, and I'm going to first detangle my hair with my brush, and then I'm going to go in and braid my hair at the roots for about an inch or two, and then I'm going to do a regular twist after that. So I'm going to do that to my entire head. I also forgot to mention that the curl cream is probably my favorite product. I just really like how it glides on my hair and makes my curls nice and soft and kind of melts into my hair. So I really like the curls cream. That's probably my favorite product in the line. Alright guys, so you can see that I am done. I have twisted up my whole head, and yeah, I'm going to let this air dry. I just wanted to do a little spin around so you can see how many how many twists I have in my hair. And I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry overnight, or you could sit under the dryer if you needed to. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, and this is the next day after my twists are completely dry, and I'm going to go ahead and take them out gently. And once I do that, I'm going to fluff my hair. And this is my hair with all the twist out. You can see my hair is nice and defined and has moisture to it, so I'm really liking that so far. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to separate my hair now. So I'm just going to grab each little piece and just I'm just going to glide my fingers down each piece and let it separate where it would naturally want to, and do that throughout my entire head. And I don't know if I mentioned, but all of these products are sulfate free, and they are very hydrating and moisturizing to your hair. So yeah, that's a good thing with your products that you should always look for. And again, this product smells really good. All of them smell really good, and it doesn't have an intense smell or anything like that. It just has a light honey like smell to them. Alright, now I'm going to go in with their edge gel, and you use this on your edges, and this also will protect your hairline, so it's not going to strip your hairline or anything like that. So yeah, me personally, I'm currently having some postpartum shedding, so I want to make sure I use things that are gentle on my edges, and this product is very gentle for your hair, and it leaves a soft hold, so it's not going to be a crunch on your edges. So that was good there. And I'm just gonna kind of try to do some swoops. I'm not good at doing edges or anything like that, but I'm just gonna smooth them back a little bit and then put some bobby pins. And yeah, that is pretty much the finished look. I'll make sure to link all of the products below for you guys if you want to check them out, and feel free to leave me any questions that you may have on the products. And overall, I can definitely say I enjoyed using these products. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.